This is Russia's most mysterious fighter jet. Some people call it a failure. Others think it could challenge America's best stealth aircraft. But here's the strange part. Almost nobody truly knows what this jet can do in real combat. This is the Su-57 Felon. When America revealed stealth fighters like the F-22 and F-35, Russia knew it needed something new. But instead of copying the West, Russia built a fighter designed to do two things at once: hide from radar and dominate in close air combat. And honestly, the result looked insane. The Su-57 project began in the early 2000s. The first prototype flew in 2010. But then the problems started. Engine delays, production issues, money problems. Some experts believed the aircraft would never fully succeed, but Russia kept pushing forward, and eventually the Su-57 entered service. So what makes the Su-57 unique is how it moves. Its engines can point in different directions during flight. That allows the jet to twist and turn in ways that look almost impossible. The aircraft also carries missiles inside the body to stay stealthy. It's fast, extremely agile, and built for both air and ground attacks. But here's the part that worries military experts. Russia claims the Su-57 may help detect other stealth aircraft. A stealth fighter, hunting stealth fighters. And now, it's becoming even more dangerous. Russia recently revealed a two-seat version of the Su-57, and reports suggest it may control combat drones during battle, meaning one pilot could command an entire attack team in the sky. The Su-57 may not be the stealthiest fighter ever built, and it may not exist in huge numbers, but it could be one of the most unpredictable fighter jets in the world. And sometimes, that's even more dangerous. So what do you think? Is the Su-57 actually one of the most dangerous stealth fighters ever built? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into secret aircraft and hidden military projects, make sure you like, subscribe, and join me for the next one.